Hi everyone. I'm going to go over some of the conversions from radians to degrees and degrees to radians that you were assigned in the Khan Academy practice. Okay, so if you look back at the videos that are all posted here, you can get some more insight into how the conversion was derived, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to write the conversion over here. So the conversion to get from radians to degrees is that 1 radian is equivalent to 180 over pi degrees. And then to convert from degrees to radians, 1 degree is equivalent to pi over 180 radians. Okay. So if you're ever tasked with converting, you simply have to multiply, in this case, 17 pi over 18 radians and by 180 over pi, and that will give you your answer in degrees. So again, like the concept of the radian is that it's basically a length of the radius if you extended it around the outside of the circle, meaning like around the circumference. So what ends up happening is if you were to extend it 3.14 times, it would give you a semicircle or 180 degrees. So if you were to extend it about 6 times, a little over 6 times, it would give you 360 degrees. So it's kind of a difficult concept to understand, but just know it's kind of just a different way of measuring a circle. That's really it. So it's just kind of a different way of measuring. All right, so for this problem, I'm just going to multiply 17 pi over 18 times, and we're trying to convert 2 degrees, so I'm going to multiply by 180 over pi. So what ends up happening is the pi's will cancel out because they're on different sides of the denominator. And then we're left with 17. Sorry, little error there. So then we're left with 17 times 180 over 18. So I'm going to get my calculator because I don't know this in my head. So 17 times 180 is 3,060. And that's over 18, which gives you about 170 degrees. So my answer that I'm going to put in is 170.